You probably know that tune, Devil's Dream, but you might not be aware of the myriad of techniques that are happening to make that tune successful. It's packed with string crossings and left-hand coordination. A few years ago, a well-known, well-respected fiddler and fiddle teacher approached me about creating a technique class just for fiddlers. She had seen my material and could see that I'm very specific and very systematic with the way that I teach technique, and she thought it would be very adaptable for fiddlers. And the way she explained it to me is that fiddle teachers know their craft, but fiddling is not based in technique. It's based in immersion and the oral tradition, and technique takes a bit of a back seat. Fiddle teachers teach their students tunes and nuance and style and the whole tradition. And they may want to teach technique to their students, but a lot of them don't know how. A lot of them were not taught technique themselves. Many fiddlers stumble onto great technique just by trial and error. A lot of them have had the privilege of being exposed and being immersed in musical circles where they were able to absorb from great players. But consciously trying to explain how they do what they do is a different story. And so students are often left with technical deficiencies and don't know where to turn. So this fiddler helped me to identify the top topics or areas of technique that fiddlers need and that they're not getting or that they have deficiencies in. And so that was over 5 years ago, but I finally have completed this class. I call this course Essential Fiddle Technique because I've tried very hard to peel back the excess and to only deliver the essentials of what fiddlers need. And I'm organizing it in such a way that it hopefully will function as a Swiss Army knife so that you can find the exact tool you need exactly when you need it, instead of starting at the beginning of a course and going in order through stuff that you aren't desperate for. To find the stuff that you are desperate for, it's organized where you can easily see the topics and you can easily find the video you need to address your weakness or to improve the skill that you most want. Some of the skills that she helped me to identify for this course are ear training and how to play by ear, how to memorize tunes, rhythm training and metronome skills, a bit of fingerboard geography, scales and arpeggios, just what you need, nothing that you don't need. Tone and intonation, bow technique, bow skills. I'll give you a good bow hold. I'll give you some good alternative bow holds, how to slur, how to play on two strings, how to develop a good basic bow stroke, how to play at the frog, how to play at the tip, how to do chops. Left hand technique, such as speed and dexterity, finger independence, developing use of the pinky, posture and ergonomics. You'll get lots of good information about that topic, some practice tips and tools, and much more. So I want to invite you to click the link in the video description box below and come and learn more about this course. I'm pricing this course at an introductory price, $129 for the entire course. And that turns out to be about $1 per lesson. So it's very reasonably priced and it won't stay at that price. There are other exciting options and features with this course that are too hard to describe. And it would make more sense if you click the video description link below or click on the eye in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and you can see some samples of this course and just really get into the details of what all I'm offering. I'll see you there.